Facebook SA and WhatsApp have been ordered not to remove Govchat WhatsApp messages on their platform. The Competition Tribunal granted the order after hearing arguments earlier this year. Facebook threatened to remove Govchat WhatsApp, stating non-compliance with the platform. To explain further, I'm joined by CEO of Govchat, Eldred Jordan. Eldred, thank you very much for joining us. There certainly has been a David and Goliath battle with a victory for Govchat. What were the salient points of your argument?
So, Anli, first of all, good evening to you and to your viewers. I think the most important points that we could take out of this was that we presented a prima facie case to the tribunal showing behavior of or conduct of anti-competitive behavior, something that is not, new for Facebook, as we know that they are being taken on by their own government. 46 attorney generals in the United States have combined a lawsuit and taken them on for the exact same thing. And what was important for Govchat was really just to show prima facie case against Facebook, and then obviously also show market dominance, which they did imputing. And so we are really, really grateful with this outcome. Well over 5 million South Africans now can continue receiving services and using the Govchat platform as the official citizen engagement platform for the South African government.
So the tribunal has granted Govchat interim relief for 6 months, but that's not the end of it. What are the next steps in the process?
So the Competition Commission will now investigate this matter fully, and pending on the outcome of this hearing, the tribunal will then make a decision on how it's going to proceed based on the evidence that comes forward. Thank you.
The tribunal also placed some limited restrictions on what Govchat is allowed to do on the platform. What are they and how do they affect the end user?
So the tribunal made it very clear that Govchat may not add any new use cases to the Govchat platform. We will say that we are a bit disappointed because many citizens know that Govchat has adopted its technology to respond to COVID-19, allowing citizens to receive their COVID-19 test results, allowing them to apply for a social relief of distress grant. But this pandemic is changing, and unfortunately, Govchat cannot use its technology on its WhatsApp channel and bring any new use cases forward. This is a bit disappointing, but as I said before, we are really, really satisfied, grateful, and delighted that the tribunal has granted in Govchat's favor.
Now, this all started because WhatsApp claimed that Govchat was non-compliant with some of its requirements and its terms of use. Tell us more about that.
Annelie, this is shocking to Govchat as well, because the rules that Facebook and WhatsApp try to apply, they don't apply it consistently. And what we are seeing is that they're applying it for certain, partners and stakeholders and not for others. Govchat was definitely one of them, and but we definitely see anti-competitive behavior. I guess if you look at the last 10 months, we have processed well over 300 million messages on the Govchat platform, and we've seen a massive spike of well over 5 million South Africans use the platform for various COVID-19 reasons. Now, I think what WhatsApp wants to do is to have a direct relationship with the South African government. But I think what WhatsApp does not understand is that Govchat is a co-created platform together with the South African government, started with the Department of Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs, and then obviously created features within Govchat with the Department of Health called COVID Connect, and then the Department of Social Development and SASSA as well. So we are really disappointed that, Facebook, changes their rules of engagement with Govchat. We are really, really just disappointed in their conduct as the largest messaging platform in the world with 2 billion users, that they treat Govchat in this manner. And hopefully we could sit around the table and really, really, discuss things and see how we can take things forward.
Thank you very much for speaking to us. That was Eldred Jordan, CEO of Govchat.